Welcome to the Streaks page. The Streaks page is one of the most powerful pages on Footy Amigo, and it's a page where you can come to on a daily basis to find high qualified games from teams that are on a streak. We have different categories such as the home win, where you'll be able to see teams that are playing at home and they've had a winning streak. For example, we have this team that has had 6 out of 6 home wins in the last 6 games played, and you can also see the odds for them to win. We have various categories such as home win at halftime, away win at halftime, both teams score, goals at halftime, over 1.5 goals, over 2.5 goals, under 3.5 goals, most goals at first half, most goals at second half, corners streak, under corner streak, under 2.5 goal streaks. We have so much data right here for you to be able to pick qualified games on a daily basis. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the description of how the tables are outlined. So for example, for the home win tab, the first table shows you teams that are playing at home and they've had a winning streak. So this team, for example, has won 6 out of 6 games in the home games that they've played, and the odds for them to win the next game is 2.1. We can also see a game such as these. They have an 86% strike rate because they have had 6 out of 7 games where they won at home. And on the other tab, we can also see the away teams that are on a losing streak. So these away teams, they have lost 9 out of 9 games that they've played away, and the odds for them to lose the next game is 2.38. So you can navigate to any tab and you'll be able to see games and teams that are on a streak. I am going to pick a market that I really like personally, and the market that I like is goals at first half. So I'm going to place a quick bet on goals at first half using the streak stats. So I can see this game is on Saturday, but I'm going to pick this game because it's today. So these guys have had 9 out of 10 games where they actually had 1 goal in first half. So I could just click on this and I can add that to my bet slip. But there's something else that you can do. So we have the home teams that have always had over 0.5 first half goals. And we have the away teams that have always had over 0.5 first half goals. And then we have one thing called the overall. And the overall team table will show you teams whereby the home and away teams have actually had this thing happen on a streak. So I will just pick one of them from the home team tab, and I've picked this team. So as you can see, I've added that to my bet slip and the odds is 1.5. Another market that I really like is let me find another market, is the home win at halftime. So as you can see, there is a game by 12 p.m. whereby this home team have always won at halftime. They've had 6 out of 7 games where they've won at halftime. And if I click on them, I can actually see some more stats. So for example, if I go to halves, so I can see that the away team has a 14% win at halftime rate whenever they play away, and the home team, of course, have 86%. So that's good because it's a home team playing against an away team that always loses during halftime. So I like this order and I'm going to click on that. So as you can see, my bet slip is now 2.59. So I can copy these games and place a bet on my bookmaker site. So let me do that right now. So I'm going to copy the name of the team and I'm going to place over 0.5 first half goals bet because I can see from the streak. I'm going to paste it. I found the team and I'm going to click on goals and search for the first half goals over 0.5. I'm going to put that on my bet slip. And the next one that I want to do is this, guys. I want to say they're going to win at halftime based on the stats. I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to paste that there. We can't find the team. Okay, this is the team right now. And I'm going to place a bet on the fact that they are going to win at halftime. So half, and I'm going to say they're going to win at halftime. So this is my bet slip, and I'm just going to put a stake of £1 for the purpose of this video. I'm going to place that bet. So we're going to come back when the result has come. I was able to find these games just from the streak page. Some people might choose to add more games to make their odds, 6, for example, add another and then increase it. So it really depends on you. This page has everything that you need to be able to find 2 odds, 3 odds, 4 odds, 5 odds or more on a daily basis. But I always like to bet smart, so I like to put maximum of 2-3 games on my bet slip. So now that the bet has been placed, we're going to come back when the result is in.
A few moments later.
So the results are in, and the first bet that we placed was that this match would have over 0.5 first half goals. As you can see, they actually had 2 goals in the first half, so this was a win. And the other bets that we placed was that Shanghai Port would win at halftime, and if we check, we can see that Shanghai Port actually scored their first goal in first half, and they actually won first half. So these 2 bets that we just picked from the streaks page was a win, and we didn't really have to do any work because everything was already there on the streak page for us. So I was able to create a very simple over 2 odds bet, just taking games from the streaks page. So what you can do is you can come to every or any tab that you want, and you can look at the stats and the data and decide what bets you want to place. Some people might use this page as a page to create an accumulation bet slip, such as adding games from each tab and then creating an odd for themselves. For example, just those 2 games would bring me 5 odds. Now, it depends on you. Some people might just use this page as a page to just find one game at 2 odds or at 1.7 odds that they want to place a bet on. Regardless of how you use it, all the information that you need is right in front of you, and you can always navigate to every tab, check out the stats, pick teams that you want, and once you've decided on the teams that you want to place a bet on, you just have to copy the name and go place your bet on your bookmaker site. But always remember to bet smart and bet intelligently. Enjoy.